Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the Level ITG Patchworks case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Here's the iPhone 11 Pro Max right here. And then here is the patchwork case. I like this blue color. It's also lined in black. Zero bulk, certified protection, US military standard drop testing. So they have 3 meter, 10-foot drop testing. Comes in 3-layer drop protection, so that's cool. Give you some more quick details here on the back. You can pause the video and take a look at the text. It has triple layers, 3 meters, that's a lot, 10 feet. Most only do 6 feet. This does 10 feet. I've used a Patchworks case on one of my iPhones for a very long time, so I trust the brand for sure. It's a light case, but definitely full protection even on the corners. Right here you can see in each corner they have extra protection. They have the button covers right here, and the ports are open on the bottom for charging and audio, microphone and speaker. This is the Patchworks Level ITG series case in a cool blue color for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.